Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am going to be making some pulled pork, I don't know what I want to call them, roll-ups, taquitos, something similar to that. And I'm going to air fry these. I think these are going to turn out yummy. The biggest trick is going to be to get these corn tortillas pliable enough that I can roll them. All right, let's get started. The first thing that I want to do is get my cream cheese mixture all nice and mixed up. So I'm using a full block of cream cheese. Just want to kind of smush that. I want to cream it up. I don't think I'm going to need to get out the mixer. I think I can just cream it like this. I'm going to add some of this Southern Comfort seasoning. This stuff is so yummy. I'm going to put just a little bit more in there. To that, I'm going to add my shredded cheese. Basically just, I don't know, that might be fourth to a half a cup of shredded cheese. I'm just using Colby Jacks. That's what I had. Now I'm going to take these dill spears. I want to make the pieces a little smaller, so slice those down the middle and then cut them in little chunks. I'm just going to add those to my cream cheese mixture. Mix that in. I'll cut this one into 3 sections here. Then little tiny bits. There we go. That's good. That looks much better. That should be plenty of pickle. I have taken some of my pulled pork and put it in a bowl because that large thing that you saw, I was not going to use the entire thing for these little taquitos or whatever you want to call them. So now I need to get these pliable. This is a damp paper towel. I've got about 6 of these. I'm going to just wrap them like this and I'm going to put them in the microwave for at least a minute. Possibly up to 2 minutes. We'll see how they are after a minute. What I want to do is smear some of the cream cheese mixture and add some of the pulled pork. No, you can't put too much in them. Then start rolling. Ooh, that's pretty good. Great. And then in the air fryer, I'll lay it down. That way it won't come unwrapped. Oop, that might be a little much. It's awesome though. Those are working out well. So a minute was plenty of time to make these pliable enough to roll. I'm going to do up the rest of these and then I'll be right back. I have all 6 of these done. I am just going to lay them 3 in each, I believe. I could probably get 4 in there actually. I don't mind if they touch. It'll help keep them from rolling around. As I said, I'm putting them fold down. So I'm going to have to get a couple more to put this. I did grease the air fryer. Got a couple more in there. Those both in. I'm going to go for, I think air fry here. 375. And I think I'm going to do 5 minutes. Everything's fully cooked. So really, I'm just browning the tortillas. So what I'm gonna do is about halfway through, I'm gonna check them. And if they need to roll over, looks like they're brown and good, I'll roll them over. If necessary, I'll run them for a longer amount of time. So if I end up needing to add some more time, I'll let you know how much time I needed to add. But I'm going to start with this 5 minutes and see how that goes. Okay, those look pretty darn good. So here is the deal. Went the 5 minutes, not good. So I did it for a few more minutes, still not the way I wanted. I wanted this crispy look. So I ended up increasing my temperature to 400 and doing it for about 3 more minutes. And then, bam, they were great. So I am going to say probably should be 400 degrees to begin with. And you could probably do them in 6 to 8 minutes. Overall, the time that I did it, 3/4 of the time was on 375 degrees, plus the last 3 minutes or so at 400. I did a probably 10 to 12 minutes. So you could really cut the time down and you'll get that nice crisp at 400 degrees. I definitely recommend that. I am going to be using this sriracha mayo, and that is going to be my dipping sauce. I'm going to plate these up and I'm going to show you how it looks.